Hello everyone, good day to you. Today we will continue talking about this topic. Pixlr E tutorial is regarding about the how to use the toolbar. Okay, first of all we coming to the main page and then click open image. Okay, open image. So I can choose one of the image I want and then it will bring me to this interface. Then this interface does have a main toolbar on the top part, and the vertical is called toolbar area. Toolbar area they have these arrange and mercure selection and so on. Okay, so in the deep middle part is this main picture I want to edit. And then here also have a three part: 1 navigate, 2 layer, 3 history in the vertical part here. So navigate is mentioned about this photo. Okay, photo here I can zoom in. Okay, and this layer is about different layer you can add in. For example, empty image and firm shape and text as well. And this one I will talk to the next topic. And then this one is a history. History means every single step you make there will be listing out over here. So for example, now this picture is locked, so I can unlock over here with the padlock, or I can unlock over here. Okay, so once I click this one, then they will mention about here. So how about I just coming here, the top circle here, I can turn left or right. Okay, and I can coming to end corner here to scroll down or back to this original place, or I can put this photo as I wish for the position. So after I take this all the activity, the history will be listing out. Okay, so now during this arrange, and the keyboard shortcut is V. So during this arrange, I can coming here, rotate left or rotate right, flip horizontal or flip vertical. And the new effect is this animation on this year. Just only 1 to 2 months like that. This updated the elements or the effect. So here we can click this, click and then adjust the position we want. Okay, to paste it. Now we can select page animation or layer animation. Page animation have fade, raise, solder, stump as well. So those have a crown, yellow crown over here. This is the premium account user will be entitled. So how about the layer? Layer means about those vertical, horizontal, these fade layer animation for the background. But today I'm not talking about this issue or this topic, so we just going back to this array, arrange this effect. So after animation they have a duplicate. Duplicate means very easy, you can duplicate one more photo, so that means we come out here, you can see 2 photo. Delete means you can delete the green color photo, just now mentioned it. So duplicate and delete you also can find at this layer inside, layer this column inside here as well. So another is this tool setting. Tool setting, everything Pixlr E already help you to turn on, so it's more, this one is no need to adjust anything. So now we go to touching about, okay, touching about this Merge selection. After we click this one, we have to highlight which photo we want to do. Okay, we click back this green color. Then this merge select, they have two types. One is rectangle, another one is circle. Mode have three types, three kind of the mode: new selection, add to selection, and remove. So let's check it one by one. So first, when we choose this one, rectangle with new selection, means I just draw one triangle, press the button, delete, like this. How about I want to draw more than one? For example, I just drag one and then want to drag another one. It totally cannot. They will be remove the first one. So what I want to do is coming to add, press this add to selection, this mode. So once I make another rectangle, then they will two merge together or join together, two in one. I can press the button delete. It's like this. Then how about I draw one rectangle, and then now this time I choose this one, remove. If let's say I put one of the overlay, this one over there, when I release from the mouse, they will look like this, and then I press the button delete, will look like this. So this is the remove from selection, this mode function. Okay, so now everything we do undo first. Undo is Control Z or Command Z. I back to this original, this image, and then I make this image back to this big picture I want. Okay, so now I'm going to number 3, lasso select, and then the keyboard shortcut is L. Okay, we press the button. Then here we can see they have 4 types. First type is free, second type is polygon, third time is BZ, fourth time is magnetic, and then the mode is like just now I mentioned, the one new, add, and remove. So this one will be very easy to understand. Okay, so now we try to see one by one. Free. Okay, free means, okay, now it's a little bit, okay, I'm back to this here. Free. Okay, free means I can click and then draw the shape I want, and then finally going back, touching the beginning point, then I release from the mouse, then we will look like this, running the running the line, and then I can press the button delete because I during this new mode. Okay, how about we try this one, polygon. Polygon mean all the line is shaped, all the line is straight. So I press the button over here, and then I click the button, and then you can see this line, whatever I want. Okay, for example, I just come in of this here, click one more time, and then this all the line is straight. So what can I do is I can click one more time, and then click end of the beginning point like this, and then I can press the button delete like this. How about I click this one, BZ. Okay, BZ, I click, then now I come to this semicircle area, I click, and then you can see this line same like a straight line, but never mind, it just come in or the corner here, one click, and then I go into behind here. Then now you can see this line is look like I can make like a semi half. Once you're happy about touching about this shape, you just press the button or mouse, just press it, then they will start from just now the point. You can come over here, and then press the mouse, press the button. After you thinking you don't want to adjust over here and there, you just one more time click. Then you can going up, touching about the beginning point, just one click. Because after you click already, you don't forget, because this one is a BZ, so you can left or right. If you don't want look like this, you just want to straight point, you just one more click, then you can press the button delete. Then this is the BZ. Okay, so for example, now we're going to the magnetic. What is it called, magnetic? Okay, for example, now I click the magnetic. Okay, but because I want to back to this normal page, so I just undo just now the one. Okay, so now I select the magnetic, just coming here one. Okay, I coming here top. Okay, I zoom in a little bit. Okay, I coming here to press one click over here, then he will look like a magnet to stick around outside this parrot. Then this one is called magnetic. They will like a magnet to stick outline from this photo or this shape animals or this picture. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, once I near the beginning point, I just one click. After one click, join together. This one is what it look like. When I press the button delete, that will help me to delete this part. But if not, I use the Control Z or Command Z back to this situation. Now I want outside the yellow color to delete, but I want to remain inside this parrot. So what I want to do is I'm going to the select, choose this one, insert selection. I click it. Once you see this line is come out, then we press the button delete. Then they help me to remove outside everything the color, but it's remain inside this picture. So this is arrange, Mercure select, and the last code select, the toolbar, the tool function for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget, please give me a like and subscribe my channel, and I will make coming soon. The next video is talking about this when select, chop, cut out, and slash mask effect in the next tutorial. See you in the next tutorial soon. Bye bye.